Welcome again. Now we will see another example. If A is subset of B, then we prove A union B is equal to B. Suppose that X belongs to A union B, which implies that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Here A is subset of B, we have to prove that A union B is equal to B. Let us suppose X belongs to A union B, means X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Okay, that is X belongs to B or X belongs to B. Means as A is subset of B, we can write here X belongs to A means X belongs to B, because A is subset of B, and here X belongs to B means X belongs to B. Okay, therefore what we can write, A union B is subset of B. We have taken one element of A union B, which is also element of B, means A union B is subset of B. And obviously B is subset of A union B. Okay, B is subset of A union B. From these two terms, we can write A union B is equal to B. Okay. Now, third one is, we have to prove that just by using the definition of set A minus B is subset of A. A minus B is subset of A. Suppose that X is an arbitrary element of A minus B. X is any arbitrary element of A minus B, which implies that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B, because we are taking A minus B. We are neglecting B from A, or subtracting. Or simple way we can say that we are eliminating the elements of B from A. X belongs to A minus B means X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B, because this minus. Okay, X belongs to A and X does not belongs to A. B means that X belongs to A. Therefore, we have taken that X belongs to A minus B, and we come to the result that X belongs to A, means we can write A minus B is subset of A. This is our proof. Now next one is, we have to prove that A minus B union A is equal to A. There is nothing to prove that. This is a simple example. A minus B union A. As in the part third, we have seen that A minus B is subset of A. A minus B is subset of A. Okay. And what we will get? We are taking the terms of B, elements of B from away from A minus B, and adding again A. We will get obviously A. Simply we can write A minus B union A is equal to A. Okay, A minus B is subset of A union A is A. Okay. Now the next part is, we have to show that A minus B intersection B is equal to phi. A minus B intersection B is equal to phi. Let us suppose that X belongs to A minus B. Okay, let us suppose that X belongs to A minus B intersection B. Means that X belongs to intersection of these two sets, means X is the common of these two sets, and X belongs to B. Again, X belongs to A minus B means X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. The meaning of X belongs to A minus B is X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. And also we have the same term X belongs to B. This term we have taken as it is. Now rearranging the terms, X belongs to A we can write, and X does not belongs to B, and X belongs to B. Okay. Now can we find such element that belongs to the set and that does not belongs to the set? No, we cannot find. The same number which either belongs to that set or does not belong to that set, but we cannot find the same number which is both in the set and outside the set. Okay, X does not belongs to B and X belongs to B. We cannot find such a number, but there is no element X which satisfies both X belongs to B and X does not belongs to B. Therefore there is no element in A minus B intersection B. It must be phi. We have taken that X belongs to these two intersection and we get that X belongs to B and X does not belongs to B. We cannot find such element, so that this intersection must be phi. Okay, see again and again these videos, you will get the good result. You can understand better. Thank you.